Hello everyone. Let's discuss IPMAT 2027. There are around roughly 300 days left for IPMAT. You still have lot of time. So I want to discuss VARC from the point of view of habit building because VARC is nothing but a habit. Let's see how. Now see what our goal today is 20 minutes daily study, 300 days to compound VARC as a habit. Your day one starts today. Now, see, 300 days is not a lot of time. Okay. It is 300 chances to become the kind of reader that IPMAT rewards. So, if you even miss one day, you are going to miss your one chance out of 300 chances that you are going to get to improve your VRC. This is a well known established fact that reading is a good reader, an analytical reader, an interpretive reader is rewarded in IPMAT. Correct? Because obviously, I have said this many times in the past also, and I still believe the same thing that IPMAT is slowly moving towards CAT like structure. Previously, if you see, there used to be two RCs. Since 2025, and the same pattern is repeated in 2026, there were three RCs, that is 2 RC and 1 conversation analysis. Now, conversation analysis is also nothing but a reading comprehension itself. You have to read, you have to comprehend, you have to retain in order to solve the questions. There will be 6 questions. So there will be around 18 questions of reading comprehension. Now these are direct questions, correct? But what about the indirect questions like para completion? Again, nothing but reading comprehension. You have to comprehend, you have to read. Para jumble, you have to read, you have to comprehend. These are indirect reading comprehension. So around 5 to 6 questions of para completion, around 5 to 6 questions of para jumble. So 18 plus, let's say 10, around 28 questions are entirely dependent on your reading. Now, another important part in this that I shouldn't forget to mention is vocab. Reading is rewarded because you get to know new vocabulary words through your reading also. Correct? So just see, no, everything just boils down to one habit, that is nothing but reading. Clear? Now stay tuned on this channel because I'm going to also make an exclusive video about how to read, what to read, how to interpret, and how to ace your reading comprehensions. Okay. Now, the core message that I want you guys to have is, VARC is not going to improve through one crash course. No, you think that, I'm going to cram up 1000 words, I'm going to learn 500 words, and, I'm good to go. And I am going to just read in the last 3 months and I'm going to solve 100 RCs and I am set. No, this will not work. It improves through daily exposure, reading stamina, vocabulary awareness, and question analysis. You do know, right, that here at Rodha, when we start reading comprehension, I divide it into 3 parts. Okay. Now, first is obviously reading, understanding, interpretation, author's perspective, author's purpose. Why is he writing the RC? What are the facts in the RC? What are the arguments? Is the author happy, worried, concerned, critical, sad, depressed, whatever it is? Correct? This is the first part. Second part is understanding the question, because many students, they have this habit of directly jumping onto the options even before reading the question properly. That is obviously going to harm you, correct? This is the second part of reading comprehension. Third part and the most important part of reading comprehension is elimination methods of options. Yes, do not solve RCs to search for the correct answer. Always solve RCs from the perspective of elimination. Okay. Now, whenever I teach reading comprehension, I take into consideration all these 3 things, that is analysis of the RC, type of question, and type of options also. Because solving IPMAT is not about rote learning, it's about strategy. Okay. Now, what should our learning be? Our learning should be small habits that are repeated for 300 days will beat random motivation every single time. Feeling demotivated, you go on YT and start watching some videos, you download some PDFs and you feel okay, I'm doing something. Really? ओनली डाउनलोडिंग पीडीएफ्स? क्या अपने आप वो सारा दिमाग में आ जाएगा आपके? नहीं ना, करना पड़ेगा, रीड भी करना पड़ेगा, isn't it? So instead of those random bursts of motivation, no, stay consistent for 300 days. Only habit building is important. Now, small habits. What are those small habits that I'm talking about? I am talking about reading of editorials every day, solving of RCs. Obviously, I'm going to go ahead, Hannah, and I will tell you that. No panic at the end moment, no overload, because you are not going to do it like a crash course. Only consistency. Now, see, VRC is like fitness. Though them gym mein jaake will you get fit? Nahi na. Correct? You won't get fit by going to only 2 days in a gym and 3 hours doing gym for 3 days. No, it's not. Fitness doesn't work like that. VRC is just like fitness. One intense workout never changes the body. Daily reps do. Correct? You go one day, you do your chest exercises. Then you go, you do your back exercises. Then you go one day and then you do your legs workout. You do lunges and everything. So it's a very systematic approach. Even, when you go to your gym, your trainer will tell you that, you minimum need 3 months to see small changes in your body, isn't it? So how come VARC will be done in 1 month? It's not possible, correct? Reading stamina grows only with repeated exposure. पहले दिन आप कार्डियो करोगे, you will hardly be able to do for 5 minutes. Then on day 10, you will see the change you could do for 12 minutes. Then on day 20, you could see the change and you will be able to do it for 15 minutes. That is your stamina increasing. First, you start reading editorial, you are lost midway. Your focus is gone. Then you keep on reading, you do it every day despite of the failure. You will see after 10 days that you were able to retain your focus for one entire editorial. Correct? So your reading stamina grows with repeated exposure. That is daily reading. Comprehension depth improves when students explain the main idea after reading. That is the reason I tell you to do one exercise that I tell my Rodha students in Believers and Nurtures batch. Write the summary. What should the summary consist of? Main idea, purpose of the author, and tone. So, summary writing. Okay. Summary writing is also very important. It should consist of main idea, tone, and purpose of author. If you do this exercise, then and then only you will be able to comprehend the depth and the nuances in the RC. Vocabulary becomes familiar through context, not blind memorization. Correct? Like gym, you go, you try to understand your body that, okay, my legs are strong, but my back is weak. I need to work on my back. Correct? My reading is fine. My interpretation is going wrong. I need to work on my interpretation. Correct? Accuracy comes from reviewing why wrong options looked tempting. Correct? This is the reason I tell you, work it backwards. Do not search for the correct answer. Eliminate the options. Whatever is remaining is your correct answer. Occam's razor. Correct? Formula style preparation is not enough for VARC. No. Correct? See, quants mein kya hota hai na? You solve some sums repeatedly. You get to know the logic. You understand the logic. You can't solve one RC repeatedly in VARC. Hai na? You can't do it. Correct? Now the 20-minute habit engine, what you should start doing, correct? So first is read. 20 minutes of focused reading editorials, essays, business psychology, social science, book excerpts. Now, there are many things mentioned here. Don't worry, I will only recommend editorials. Let's only focus on editorials. 2 editorials per day. That's it. I am not saying go read Eon essays and 3000 word articles and research papers and no, nothing. 2 editorials, just make sure you read various genres. Okay. Now think about it. Write the main idea in 3 lines, author's point, tone, 2-3 key arguments. This is what I told, है ना? यहाँ पे मैंने देखो क्या लिखा है. Main idea, tone and purpose. Correct? Practice. Practice is very, very, very important. 5 VARC questions daily. Small quantity, serious analysis, zero skipping. Now this is 5 VARC questions. I'm going to add one simple thing here, plus 1 RC. Plus 2 editorials that you are anyway doing. This is your habit building. I'm just telling this 1 RC extra. Now, students ask me this question, ma'am, हमें RC मिलेगा कहाँ से? We are there for you. We have around more than, sufficient bank of RCs on our portal. ठीक है, सो बहुत सारे हमारे पास है RCs, है ना? सो प्लीज मेक श्योर, लाइक इवन इफ यू स्टार्ट, वी इवन गिव Rodha daily practice, that is 1 RC daily, some vocab, 10 to 15 vocab questions also daily. Imagine what you are getting is Rodha daily practice, RDP. Okay, so join the Rodha Nurtures batch or Believers batch. You're going to get everything that you need to ace your exam. Now, passive reading is not enough. You need to read like a question setter. Why? You always have to ask the question why. Key question in any reading comprehension. Okay? Read, ask, write. You need to write it down. Summary. Correct? 4 questions after every article. What is the main idea? What is the author trying to prove? भाई बोलना क्या चाहते हो? In that Rancho's 3 Idiots, right? बोलना क्या चाहते हो? So what is the author trying to prove? What tone is used? Like I told, critical, sad, depressed, melancholy, happy, joyous, anything it can be. It can be cautious, it can be worried, correct? What are the 2-3 main points? Now, obviously, every para is going to have one main point. You just have to reiterate it. Vocabulary in context. Now, what do you mean by vocabulary in context? Vocabulary in context का मतलब होता है whatever vocabulary is used in that particular reading comprehension. Okay? No random word list. 1000 words की list मिल गई PDF, I am set. How are you going to learn those? That's a big problem. Instead, you need to build familiarity through usage. Application is very important. 4-step word notebook. Sentence where you saw it, that is your reference. है ना? Guess the meaning. Try to work out the meaning according to the context. Then verify. Then write your own sentence. This is application. Okay, I am not even suggesting going for synonyms here. This is the first step. Just make sure you read, you guess, you verify, you apply. That's it. Read, guess, verify, apply. That's it. Okay. Vocabulary is not about memorizing 5,000 words. It's about meeting useful words repeatedly. Now here 10 is written. I am not even going to say 10. Just go for 5. More than enough. 5 VRC questions daily. Start tiny. है ना? Make the habit non-negotiable. Correct? Little drops make mighty oceans. We used to learn this, when we were in primary school. Little drops make mighty ocean. These little drops are our VRC habits. We have to make an ocean out of it. Okay. Now see alternate days. 1 RC passage, untimed first, because you just need to focus on accuracy. Then timed later, around 2 months. After 2 months also you can, start timing it. We are not in a hurry. We have 300 days, but do not waste even one day. Daily VA reps. Para jumble. Push-ups मारते हो ना gym में, right? Correct? You do 3 repetitions of chest, 3 repetitions of back. Correct? Same करना है यहाँ पे. Para jumble, sentence correction, fill in the blanks, summaries. Analyze every mistake. What students do, I'll tell you. They start reading, they start writing, they start solving also, but they randomly solve it. They don't analyze what they are solving. You need to do the analysis also. If you just go on randomly solving, you will go on making the same mistakes again and again and again. No use. It's an entire wasted effort. Okay. So why was the wrong option attractive? What clue was missed? What did I miss? This is the most important part. Now, 3 phases, one clear progression. See, days 300 to 200, you need to build your comfort. I don't like philosophy. So you have 100 days to build your comfort with philosophical RCs. Like personally, I hate banking or economic related RCs. Correct? Just say I see those terminologies, I go berserk. I just can't digest them. Correct? This is my personal, peeve. So please make sure you identify yours and you build your comfort around it. Got it? So reading habit, basic grammar, vocabulary, untimed RC. This is what is your target. Okay. Now 200 to 100, you have to build skill. How? Timed practice. RC accuracy, timed. Parajumbles, you need to understand the logic. Critical reasoning, you need to eliminate options. Timed set is very important. You need to find that balance. How many questions can I solve in the given time? Can I just stretch it a little? Okay, if I stretch it a little, I'm going to go wrong. You need to find the other rhythm. You need to find your own rhythm. You need to find your own balance. Now, this is the most important phase because 3 months are 3 months are remaining for your exam. You start, if you are in 12th standard, obviously, आप अगर ड्रॉपर हो तो you will not have the board's pressure, but if you are in 12th standard you will have that board's pressure also, correct, mounting over your head. You need to stay cool during this period, है ना. Mock solving is very important along with mock analysis. Sectional timing again along with analysis. Attempt selection, that is your strategy, is very important. And error pattern revision, that is whatever errors you're making, please make sure you have a log, you maintain a log out of it. Got it? Now see, you need to build your comfort before your speed. That is the first zone. 300 to 200 days, build comfort, correct? Read daily without skipping. Yeah, it's like your lunch and dinner. It's like your lunch and dinner. You have lunch every day, you need to read. You have dinner every day, you need to read. It's like your lunch and dinner. ऐसा थोड़ी बोलते हो यार आज इच्छा नहीं हो रही है लंच करने की, लेट्स स्किप लंच एंड डिनर टुडे. नो, यू डोंट डू इट. नो. सो नहीं, उसी तरह से रीडिंग भी स्किप नहीं करना है. यू नीड टू ब्रीद लाइक रीडिंग. ओके. Solve 32 VRC questions per video. This is very important. Staying consistent. Rather than staying consistent, also, I feel you just need to show up every day and you need to put in the minimum efforts. My only mantra for you will be show up every day and put in the required minimum efforts. That's it. Just see the magical results you're going to get after 4 months. Okay. Obviously, learn grammar basics. Subject, verb, modifiers, pronouns, parallelism, active passive voice, and transitive intransitive verbs, direct indirect speech, conditionals. You can't go in the month of February and tell me, ma'am, I don't know conditionals. Correct? Because I will teach you conditionals at that time. It's not about teaching, it's about engrossing those concepts. It's about assimilating in those concepts. You need to assimilate those concepts. You need to be engrossed in those concepts. Questions should swirl in your mind regarding those topics when you sleep at night. Correct? So you need to learn your grammar basics also. Because this is your period for basics. If you remember the basics, if you do the basics properly, then only conditional cap application kar paoge in the month of February or in the month of March or in the month of April. Correct? Analyze your mistakes slowly. Okay? Accuracy matters more than speed here. My point is, don't do no timed practice here. Okay? I'll tell you one simple thing. No timed practice. Go slow and just focus on accuracy. You need to target your comfort plus consistency. Now, you have to build skill through mixed practice. है ना? You should move from I read to I can solve. Okay? 3 to 4 RCs, topic wise VA practice, sectional test, error log updates. What skills are you going to develop? You will be able to identify main idea, tone, inference, option elimination, timed sets. You will get comfortable in the rhythm of the exam. You will not feel, oh, this is new, I don't know this. This will not happen. Okay? This is where your VRC it will start to become your scoring point. Now, last 100 days, you need to fix your strategy. Okay? Strategy fixing, very important. Mock and then analysis. Take regular mocks and sectionals. Okay? Identify weak question types. That is, ऐसे कौन से question types है जिसमें consistently यार आप गलतियों पे गलतियां किए जा रहे हो, ऐसे कौन से question types है? If you are not able to analyze properly, take help from your mentors. I will be available, Brijesh sir will be available, Sanchit sir will be available. Please come to us, ma'am. This is my mock. How should I analyze it? Sanjit sir, this is my QA section. I'm not able to analyze it. Can you please tell me what is the thing that I should be looking for? Okay, we are there to hold your hands. Okay, we will definitely do the hand holding that you need during this period of time, but you need to put in your efforts first. Decide what to attempt and what to skip. That is what I tell strategy fixing. You need to fix your strategy. Okay, I can solve around 15 to 16 questions out of 18. That is my balance and my strength. If I stretch out more, I go wrong. Because you need to understand that there is negative marking also. Revise error patterns, not just concepts. Because that particular time for concept revision is gone in the last 3 months, correct? At least for VRC. Quants, obviously revision is needed. Quants, I'm not saying revision is not needed. Obviously revision is needed. But concepts are already done and dusted for VRC during that period of time. Okay? A week students can actually follow. How should your week look like? Okay? 45 minutes on weekdays is enough to give you the momentum that you need. This is your weekly routine. ठीक है? सारे days की strategy हमने देख ली. Now, what should your ideal week look like? What should you be doing in 1 week? 20 minutes reading, that is 2 editorials. Okay? 10 minutes vocab for 2 editorials, minutes practice. You can, just solve VA questions plus summary writing in this. Plus summary writing. 1 VARC sectional or mixed set. Just take a bunch of mixed questions and solve them on Saturday. Okay? And please make sure you do the analysis properly. Because all these efforts without analysis are zero. Okay? Sunday, you can do light reading, okay? Or you can revise. This is very important. Very, very, very important. Imagine, you are spending 1 entire week to, sift through all the editorials and, collect all the vocabulary words that you need, but you are not revising them. So what will happen? They're just going to, blank out from your mind. Do we want that? Obviously not. So you need to revise your vocabulary notebook. How to maintain a vocabulary notebook? This is what I teach in my Believers and Nurturers batch also. Okay? You need to review your error log. So make VRC so routine that motivation is not required. This is like my lunch and dinner. I have to do it. Mandatory VRC habits. Okay? Now, 5 traps that destroy your VRC progress. Mistake 1. Reading only exam passages. No. Read editorials. Okay? Memorizing words without usage. Learn application. Learn application. Just mugging up words, they are not going to help you. You need to understand where they should be applied. Mistake 3, solving without analysis. This is the most common mistake that most of the students make. And then they come to us like, ma'am, रैंडम मॉक्स दे दिए हमने, वी हैवंट डन द एनालिसिस, फायदा ही नहीं है कुछ उसका. गॉट इट. मिस्टेक 4, अवॉइडिंग आरसी बिकॉज इट इज बोरिंग. Start with topics you enjoy, but you need to comfort level 300 to 200 days are there. You have 100 days to build your comfort level with uncomfortable topics or the topics that you don't like. Do not waste those 100 days. Mistake 5, waiting for serious prep. How is prep going to get serious or not serious or flippant? I don't understand this concept. You prep, you are serious. You don't prep, you are not serious. The serious phase starts today, guys. डू नॉट वेट फॉर द मंथ ऑफ नवंबर. ओके चलो नवंबर में आराम से स्टार्ट करेंगे, नहीं होगा. डू यू नो हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स मिस देयर कट ऑफ्स बिकॉज ऑफ VARC? गो लुक एट द स्टैटिस्टिक्स. ओके, नाउ task: read, write, note, solve. One article, 3-line summary, 5 words plus 5 questions. Start small. Okay, start small. Do this for 300 days. VRC stops feeling like weakness. It becomes your scoring area. Okay, so the student who is going to start doing this from today, I am going to just give you this thing that please make sure कि आप ये याद रखो. अगर आप ये डेली करोगे, definitely you're going to score good in VRC. And this is not only for IPMAT Indore, for all the exams, may it be Rohtak, JIPMAT, BMS, IIM Bangalore DB, anything like that. Okay, so not because you're studying more, but because you show up every day. This is what I told: show up every day and do the bare minimum. That's it. I am not saying anything dramatic here. Okay, show up every day, do the bare minimum that I've told you. You will definitely crack IPMAT. Now, 300 days की planning हो गई है ना. Let's see how you should be preparing for this. So we have launched a Believers Batch 2.0. We have launched it very recently. Okay, you're going to have VARC, DILR, and QA. VARC will be taken by me and Brajesh sir. QA will be taken by Sanchit sir. You're going to have in-depth live classes, guys. 15 books also you're going to get from us. There are around 250 sectional tests, 50 plus full length mocks, and the biggest USP of our Believers course is that we do have video solutions for each and every topic test and for our mocks also. So PI preparation is included in this. GK PI preparation is already included in this. You'll have dedicated doubt solving support. You're going to have complete access to your mentors. That is me, Sanchit sir, and Brajesh sir. Also, we have Nurtures batch. This is exclusively for 11th standard students. Okay, so those who are in 11th, you guys don't realize what an immense advantage you have. You have 2 whole years to prepare. So concept based live classes will be there. You'll have your gradual skill development approach. We will will not just teach you, we will give you foundations also. We will build your skills also. Obviously you're going to get booklets, sectional test, mocks, PI preparation. Everything else is same. It's just that this is going to be a 2-year course. Now, if you like our classes on YT, or if you want to enroll in our free classes, these are the QR codes. This is for Telegram, WhatsApp, and for Rodha's free course also. Okay, so be a part of our community. Even if you want to follow us on YT, do enroll in these free course batch or Telegram group also, because you'll start getting updates from us. We do upload the PDFs of our sessions also. So अगर आपको PDF चाहिए तो आपको वो भी मिलेगी, है ना. So please make sure that you never miss an update and be a part of our Rodha community. This is it, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.